There's a new school which has been opened and teachers have been recruited. And DP Gachagua is the headmaster of that school, whereby the syllabus is how we need to hate Luos. It's how we need to hate Laila. And I think this is very, very serious, because is that the direction that we really want to guide our children towards? My question is, if I ask Gachagua, for example, if you go to a Khan hospital and you are told that your surgeon is a Luo, would you walk out of that hospital? If you go to Nairobi University taking a PhD and you are told that your lecturer is a Luo, would you leave that class? Those are the kind of questions that we need to ask ourselves. If, for example, we seek for very learned, very experienced Luo doctors, and that is known, they are known to be very good in that area of medical, and we look for them. If you feel that, if you hear that your surgeon is going to be an old Luo who has a lot of experience, you feel very safe. So what is this that we are being told when we ask about the cost of living? We are being told, remember, Laila and Luos are mad people.